Do you want to get into cybersecurity but do not know where to start? In this video, I'm going to explain what skills are required to get into cybersecurity, where to get those skills from, and how to advance your career in cybersecurity. So let's get started. Many people want to join the field of cybersecurity but do not know what skills are required to get into this field or where to get those skills from. The first thing that you need to know is that cybersecurity is a vast field and there are many fields inside cybersecurity. Every field has its own set of skills, but there are some skills that are generally required for all people into cybersecurity. In this video, I'm going to explain the skills needed for all fields of cybersecurity as well as some specific skills which are needed in each area of cybersecurity. The first thing that we need to decide is whether we are starting from scratch or whether we have some skills in the area of computer science. Regardless, I'm going to explain each step one by one so that you can get knowledge of how you can get started. The first thing that you need to get into cybersecurity is the knowledge of the networks. You need to know how internet works, what are the different layers of OSI model, how they interact, what are the different protocols that are used on the OSI model, and what are the devices that are used on each layer. The next thing that you need to learn is the different concepts related to operating systems. Let's suppose you need a solid foundation in not only Linux but also in Windows and macOS. You need to understand how different operating system works and on what basis they differ from each other. After learning the basics of networks and operating system, the next skill required is the security fundamentals. We need to understand different access control mechanisms, different firewalls, IPS, IDS, which are intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system used in the networks, as well as different encryption schemes, how these encryption schemes work, and what are the weaknesses of each encryption schemes. The next skill required to get into cybersecurity is the knowledge of programming. Many argue that programming is not required in the field of cybersecurity, but in fact, you do need different programming skills in different roles of cybersecurity. For example, you might need to write different tools using different languages, for example, Python, C++, or Rust. You might also need to write different types of network communication protocol in different programming languages like C++, Java, Python, or Rust. You might need to write different types of script in Bash languages. Therefore, you need to have at least basic understanding of different programming languages. The next skill that you need to have is the understanding of basic web technologies. For example, you need to understand what are the different protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, SSL, IPsec, etc. and also how a web application is built. You need to have understanding of different architectures that are followed in web application and also how different layers of a web application communicate using different protocols. Once you have these basic skills in cybersecurity, you can now decide which path you need to take in order to advance your career in cybersecurity. At this point, you can also start using the tools provided by different operating systems like Kali Linux or Parrot OS. If you go straight away to using these tools on Parrot or Kali Linux without understanding the concepts that we have discussed earlier, these tools might not help you a lot, or even if you know to use these, you might not get to a level that other person will have. Up to this point, we have only covered the theory. Now comes the practical part. At this point, we need to take a path that we want to take in cybersecurity. For example, you can get into web application security or network security or system security. These three different paths require different type of skills. For example, if you want to get into system security, you need to understand the functioning of different operating systems, how you can escalate your privileges, what are the different vulnerabilities that exist in each type of operating system. For example, Windows has Active Directory attack which does not apply to the Linux operating system. Therefore, you need to learn the different vulnerabilities of each operating system and how to exploit these vulnerabilities. Similarly, in web application security, you need to understand what are the different types of attack that you can launch on a web application. For example, SQL injection attack, authentication attack, access control attack, file upload vulnerabilities, server-side request forgery, and banging. Now the next question is that where can you learn all these skills? Now I'm going to show my favorite YouTube channels and the platforms where you can learn these different types of skills in the cybersecurity. The first channel which I would recommend on YouTube is Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity offers a wide range of cybersecurity courses, tutorials, and certification preparation material The YouTube channel features free videos on various topics including ethical hacking, network security, and incident response. The next channel which I would recommend, which is my personal favorite, is the Cyber Mentor. The Cyber Mentor, also known as the Heath Adder, provides practical cybersecurity tutorials and walkthroughs on his YouTube channel. He covers topics like penetration testing, bug bounties, and career advice for aspiring cybersecurity professionals. The next YouTube channel I would recommend is John Hammond. His channel features practical hacking tutorials, capture the flag challenges and walkthroughs. He provides explanation of various cybersecurity concepts and demonstrates hands-on techniques. Another channel which is my favorite is IPSec. IPSec focuses on providing detailed walkthroughs of capture the flag challenges and hack the box machines. His videos showcase the process of hacking into vulnerable systems and explaining the methodology and techniques used. Besides using these YouTube channels, there are also different types of websites and platforms that you can use not only to learn but also to practice different concepts of cybersecurity. Library also have their own platform which offer a wide range of cybersecurity courses, virtual labs, and practice exams. It covers various topics including the ethical hacking, network security, incident response, and more. The next website is Hack the Box. This is an online platform that provides hands-on virtual labs and challenges to practice hacking and penetration testing skills. It offers a range of vulnerable machines to exploit and has an active community for knowledge sharing. The next two websites are my favorite. The first website is TryHackMe, which offers a wide range of learning paths and rules that cover various cybersecurity topics including networking, web application security, privilege escalation, forensics, and more. Users can access virtual machines and challenges to practice their skills in a safe and controlled environment. The second website is CodeTrigger Labs. It is an online platform created by the CodeTrigger, the company behind the popular web application security tool, the Bug Suite. CodeTrigger Labs focuses on the teaching web application security and provides interactive labs for learning and practicing various aspects of web security testing. The labs here are designed to replicate real-world scenarios and provide hands-on experience in identifying and exploiting the web application vulnerabilities. The platform offers both free and paid content with additional features and labs available in the paid version. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment below, and until next time, see you in the next video.